Hello guys, welcome to EVS Insider. Fuel prices in the country are rising day by day. Environmental pollution is on the rise. With this, the central government is paving the way for alternative routes. Part of this is announcing huge discounts to electric vehicle manufacturers. The popularity of electric vehicles is on the rise in the country right now. However, the EV industry in our country is still in the development stage. Tata Motors is the king of electric cars in India. The Tata company had a 96.26% market share in the EV segment last February. Take a look at the list of top 5 best-selling electric cars of the last month. Tata Nexon EV, Tata Tigor EV. Tata Nexon and Tigor are the most popular sellers of electric cars in the country. Both these models have been updated recently. Tata Motors sold a record 2,264 units of Nexon and Tigor electric cars last month. However, the company had sold only 434 units in the same month last year. Current sales are up 421%. Tata Tigor EV was priced at Rs. Launched with a starting price of 11.99 lakh rupees. The ex-showroom price is 12.99 lakh rupees. The Tata Tigor EV has a 4-star rating by NCAP, which raises cars worldwide, setting a record for the safest electric car in the country. The electric sedan has a range of 306 km on a single charge with the RI certified range. Nexon EV. It has become the best-selling electric car in the country. Launched 2 years ago, the car has sold over 13,500 units so far. Tata Motors has recently released a statement to this effect. Nexon electric cars are equipped with a 30.2 kWh battery pack. It offers a range of 312 km without recharging. MG ZS EV. MG Motor is a strong competitor to Tata Motors in the electric four-wheeler sector. ZS EV is the only electric car on behalf of MG in India. The MG ZS is the third best-selling electric car in the country. MG revealed that the ZS EV sold only 38 units in February. Compared to February sales last year, very few units were sold this time. MG reported sales growth of over 90 units in February last year. ZS EV has been updated with many features. Mainly the new front grille was the highlight at the front of the car. New front grille mounted on 17-inch alloy wheels. Earlier this week, MG Motor launched the ZS EV facelift version with a starting price of 21.99 lakh rupees. Offers a range of 461 km on a single charge. It offers a range of more than 40 km compared to the previous model. Mahindra Everito. Mahindra Everito ranks 4th in the list of top 5 electric cars. Mahindra and Mahindra is set to launch at least 3 new electric vehicles of this model later this year. Mahindra and Mahindra said in a statement that Everito sold 12 units last month. BYD E6. It continues to rank last in the top 5 electric cars. BYD has not yet made the E6 electric MP vehicle available in the passenger vehicle segment. The B2B segment currently sells 3-row electric vehicles. Fleet operators in the country are targeted. BYD revealed that it sold E6 MPV 10 units last month. BYD 6 has a 71.7 kWh blade battery. It can provide a range of more than 500 km once recharged. It pulls the battery in 1.5 hours with DC fast charging support. Audi e-tron, Hyundai Kona, Jaguar I-Pace, Mercedes EQC, Porsche Taycan also made it to the top 10 electric car sales. If you guys liked today's video, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.